Standard Protocol is a DeFi platform that offers various products for your financial needs. Here you get all useful features such as swap, trade, earn, etc. Standard Protocol supports two blockchains, Ethereum and Linea. You can use both blockchains depending on your requirements, but transactions will be cheaper and faster on the Linea. The advantage of a decentralized standard protocol is you always have control over your funds, which ensures transparency and security, and also eliminates the need for intermediaries or third-party custodians. One of the most unique features of Standard Protocol is Safex. The Safex is an on-chain algorithm that makes trade execution transparent while keeping the gas cost cheaper than Uniswap. Safex also has an incentive mechanism that is designed to share the platform's revenue with active traders. Traders earn points for submitting trades, and the Safex mechanism distributes a portion of protocol revenue to active traders based on their trading points, and also displays protocol revenue to keep everything transparent. It doesn't matter if traders make a profit from trade or not, they get rewards for providing active liquidity in Safex. So just keep trading actively on the platform to keep earning rewards. Another unique feature of Standard Protocol is zero slippage trading. The crypto market is known for being highly volatile, and during volatility, trades close at a different price than the expected price, which increases the trader's loss. This is also known as slippage, but here at Standard Protocol, you don't need to worry about loss due to slippage, because Standard Protocol traders can use the limit order feature. Trades with limit orders are executed only if the market price reaches the specified limit price, which automatically minimizes the risk of slippage. Now coming to another unique feature, which is no risk of impermanent loss. When liquidity providers withdraw their tokens, they receive fewer total assets because of impermanent loss, but Standard Protocol sets up liquidity which removes impermanent loss by AMMs, and forms sustainable markets where impermanent loss does not occur. Here at Standard Protocol, liquidity providers will always receive the right amount, and they don't need to worry about impermanent loss. Now let's see how you can use Standard Protocol DEX. Open standardweb3.com in your browser. Click on the Launch button to open the DEX. Click on the Connect Wallet button. Here you will see various crypto wallets. You can connect any wallet of your choice. I will continue with MetaMask. Now, if you want to switch the network, click on the address, then click on the network that is currently active, and select the network you want to switch to. You will need to confirm the network switching process from your wallet. I will continue on the Ethereum network. Now, let's see other options. Under the market option, you can search digital assets and see top gainers and losers. Here you can also see 400 plus digital assets. You can click on any crypto that you want to trade, and it will open the trading page for you. You can place a limit order using this option, and after placing the order, you can see all your active orders in the orders section. Here you also get an account section. You can find other useful options such as membership, bridge, earn, etc. Apart from these, you have swap, trade, pools, and buy crypto options. Please note that some of the features are not available to use yet, but they will be releasing these features soon. When these features are available, you can follow on-screen instructions to use any of these options. However, if you find any of these options difficult to use, please let me know in the comment section below. I will try to reply to all your queries. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching.